This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Headlamp bulbs renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located by the passenger door sill. Lift the bonnet safety catch and raise the bonnet. Unclip the bonnet prop and use it to secure the bonnet in the open position. Note that there are two positions. For better access to the left-hand headlamp main beam and dipped bulbs as viewed from the driver's seat, detach the power steering reservoir and move it to one side. For better access to the right-hand headlamp main beam and dipped bulbs, unclip the washer bottle filler and move it to one side. Reach behind the headlamp unit. Pull the rubber tab at the edge of the protective cover and remove it. Disconnect the wiring plug from the headlight bulb. Move the bulb retaining clip to the side and withdraw the bulb. Install the new bulb, ensuring that its locating tabs are correctly seated in the light cutouts, and secure it in position with the retaining clip. Reconnect the wiring plug and refit the protective cover. If a new bulb has been fitted in the left-hand headlamp unit, refit the power steering reservoir and tighten the nut to secure it in place. If a new bulb was fitted in the right-hand headlamp unit, reattach the washer filler bottle.